Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Once again, I'm Nev from Tech, but today we're checking out a Sky Phantom drone. I love me some drones. I loved me some drones before, but the price of drones were just so unbelievably expensive, and the loss of losing one or two kind of got me out of the game for a bit. But I picked this boy up at a yard sale for 10 bucks. It actually seems to come with a nice abundance of stuff. It comes with it is Wi-Fi, which is unfortunate. Wi-Fi has a certain range, but it's got its own clip for a cell phone. It's got 2 batteries. Really impressed to see that. So this stuff was actually originally sold at Costco, and good stuff. You can usually get pretty good stuff at Costco. They don't usually sell junk, or at least they don't try to. We got the unit here with a camera, 4 blades, of course, and that is all where the battery goes. Of course, we got the unit here. In order to make this work, gotta pull this out, put this down. Alright, so we turn her on, and then once it's connected, if it gets connected, you go down, up, and then up. No, I think I need new batteries. Nope, it worked. It just needed a sec to click in. I've always said the hardest thing to do with a drone is just keep it in the air in a certain place. Well, let's see if I can do that. Not as bad as I used to be. Okay, so one direction is the movement of the plane, or of the drone, and I'm okay if I can keep it like this, but as soon as I start rotating it, it starts messing with me. Let's see if I can get it to, so I gotta stick with the trim a little bit. You can still, you can do, see if I can get a trick done on this thing. Nope, this is where it messes with me. There we go, yeah, crash land. Alright, so, a little too high. So you can definitely take it around. But like, yeah, it's about when it starts losing Wi-Fi. Yeah, it's lost. I've lost my signal. So it's going to bring itself down. Wonder if I can bring it back up. No. I'm going to change the batteries in this and see if it helps. Okay, now here we have a good camera test. It vibrates a little bit more and it's actually going. I'm just holding it and doing a screenshot right now. But as you can see, it's not the best, it's not the most ideal for technology 2 years ago. It's also not the worst. I don't think we'll be able to take much good video on this, but we'll give it a try. It should be said that this did not work with my LG G7. I had to get this going on my Pixel. Something about the difference in the Wi-Fi, I suppose. But yeah, LG G7 is supposed to pick up G waves, and I believe that this is in G. Could be better, could be worse. It's still 100% fun. Yeah, well, this thing definitely was worth 10 bucks, and if there is something that I've learned from this experience is that I am not the best at flying helicopters, and once again, Wi-Fi helicopters still aren't as good as they could be. It's always better to have a different kind of wireless. The old kind, 2.4, or what is it, 5.2, something like that. Anyways, those ones are basically line of sight. You can get lots of good stuff. You can't record stuff, but this is a relatively good unit. For 10 bucks, it's awesome. Actually, I damaged it making these videos. I got to replace the blades, but thankfully they give you lots of blades, so I'm not too worried about that. And that's all I got for you today. Just wanted to have some fun with some helicopters, and yeah, thanks for joining me, folks. Anyways, folks, like and subscribe if you like this stuff. Always appreciate it, and as always, folks, take care of each other.